This is the chart for the euro dollar. Now it is different than the chart of the euro index, and we have the 133.59. This is my structural long point, which is right there. Okay, it is a significant point, and you can see that it is pretty much also was over here, and it was over here. So Amir, I will answer your questions once I'm done once I'm finished the euro dollar and the pound. So what we have now is the euro testing the 133.59 level. Okay, and if you look at this, what's happening over here, you got once and it came down twice and it came down. You had a big sell-off here, and this is the significant sell-off. This is what matters to us. This is the sell-off that really matters to us that day. This is when Mr. I don't know how to pronounce the name, Juncker, he came up and said the euro is so expensive, and basically he's putting a shot across the bow of the Japanese and the Swiss, and you know, this thing is not, we're not trying to stimulate the economy and to vitalize the eurozone with all the stuff, and we're buying the eurozone. They're buying. The eurozone is printing today, like the dollar and like the Swiss. They are printing. They're buying the notes. So they are doing the same thing. And then, of course, when he sees this, he's not happy, because basically now this means he has to print more and more and more, and he doesn't see an end in sight. Which, again, this is thinking fundamentally but trading technically. Okay? We understand the situation, and based on this understanding of the situation, we will make a trading decision. Now, if the prices, this is what happened when he spoke, when he gave his, that he's disappointed. Now, on this day, did the market panic? No. Are they still panicking that he's going to do anything? No. It's just slowing down. Guess what will happen? It's now 133.12. The structural point is 133.59. Guess what will happen the next time this thing pokes its head above the 133.59? This what's going to happen. Exactly like what you see here. When it breaks above a significant point and a structure point, you're going to see that momentum, where the stops now are going to be stop and a reverse, and you get that momentum move to the upside. So with that, we should be looking. I have 20 pips, 30 pips away, so I'm not going to fuss. I'm going to, and if you look at the intraday chart, there is your 133. As you see, it's highlighted on our work, and you can see the selling that came in the last several days, and look at the buying. That's whenever it declines. So we are going to buy it right there. This is our buy. We're going to place our stop here. On the short, we're going to, every time it comes down, they're buying it. So if it takes out the 133, the 132.56, well, this is where we're going to short it. So for the euro dollar, we're going to buy above 133.59, which is ours. This is what we did from last week, so it's going to remain the same. We'll buy it above 133.59, which is our long point and our stop. On the short side, we're going to short it below 132.50, and if I do, I have a structural short point, which is the 131.45, and if I short it below 132.50, I'm going to use 132.80 as my stop. Okay, so we will buy above the 133.59, and if we, and this is our long point and our structural long point. on the short side, we're going to go short below 132.50, and if we do, we'll place our stop at 132.80, and our structure short point is 131.45. Okay, that is the euro dollar. Let me save this, and